Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking, making a grilled cheese sandwich using some onion salt, 2 pieces of bread, and some cheese. And for our heating source, our forge. Now I just turned it off from a good day at blacksmithing. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to take the bread with my tongs and just lay it on there for a sec. And then that will start to char it. So we're just going to leave that in there for a minute. 3, 2, 1. Call it good. Flip it over. Perfect! You guys can't see that, but look. Perfectly charred it. Next side. We're just going to throw it in there. Take our tongs. Make sure it's in the heat source. Give it a second. 3, 2, 1. And then grilled cheese sandwich piece of bread. Now we're going to take our cheese, put it on there. We need to make another piece of bread, so simply just throw it in the forge. Give it a second. 3, 2, 1. Gonna pull it out. Okay, that one needs a little bit more. We can even put it on the top. Give it a little second. Throw it in there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Pull it out, char. Next side. Let it sit in there for a minute. 3, 2, 1. Pull it out. Perfect. So now we got 2 perfect pieces of bread. Next, we need to cook the cheese. For that, we're just going to use our trusty propane torch and some good old-fashioned cheese. Now what we're going to do here, simply take our bread and our cheese and just melt. And there you go. Now it's melting. Perfect. See how it tastes. Got a grilled cheese sandwich. Cheese is all nicely melted. So let's taste it. So I got another tip for you guys. You know, a lot of people have a problem opening a banana. I'm going to show you the blacksmith's way to do it. All you're going to need for this is your trusty angle grinder. All we're going to do is just simply cut off the stem. Ready? There we go. Now, your banana simply open. There you go. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This will be a new series coming forward. Forging with Tyler. Also, blacksmithing while cooking. What could go wrong? If you did enjoy this video, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, guys.